After using FruitLook for a while, you might want to make some changes to your existing fields. Perhaps you would like to change the name of a field? Or maybe the crop type? Perhaps the borders need a bit of tweaking? Maybe you would like to order additional historical data? Or even new data for the latest season? Let's go to your FruitLook account and I'll show you how to make these changes in just a few simple steps. To make any changes to a field's specifications, click on the relevant field and view it in Graph View. Select the drop-down arrow next to Field Specifications and choose Edit Specifications. Here you can change the name, the crop type or the variety, the soil type, the year of planting, or even the expected harvesting date. To make changes to the borders of a field, view it in the Field View and select the pencil in the top right corner. Click and drag the dots to move the borders. Once you are happy, save the changes. Let's say you would like to have data for the 2018-2019 season of your current fields. On the Map Overview page, choose Add New Field. Select Copy from the previous season. Choose 2022-2023 at From Season and 2018-2019 at To Season. This means that FruitLook will now have data for the 2018-2019 season for all the fields as you see them in the 2022-2023 view. At the start of every new FruitLook season, on August 1st to be exact, you will need to copy your fields to the latest season. Simply choose the season from which the fields should be copied. Select the latest season and there you go. Please note that the function to order old or new data can't be applied to individual blocks. If you have any questions or require any help, be sure to contact the FruitLook team.